Just want to show you the fact that I could only get the left hand side in a wheel arch, and I've had to make that one. In case you haven't seen it, it's the little one making a TR4 in a wheel arch, a pattern that I've used. This is all in now. I'm showing you this before I put the tank in, because that is just got to be spot welded along this edge here, and then the wheel arch is fixed to the rear seat pan. Again, something that I had to make. There's another video on that. Rear seat pan for a TR4. Well, here we go. Spot welding in the rear valance and the light pockets. As you can see with my spot welder, I've shaped the head so that I can get in and round things. This allows me to reach round and through. I've got most of it in, just the top end to do. Let's get that one around. As you can see with this, this is as I've done before. It's a tip from a MIG welder, quite a big one. It allows me to get into inaccessible places, like at the bottom here. I've started, that's already tacked in. I've had the boot lid on, so I know, and I've lined everything up, so I know this all fits. And so on all the way along. That's about halfway. I'll now start from the other end and work into the middle. That's the light pocket spot welded in. I haven't welded along this seam here yet. That is still ready to be welded, and the same on the other side. I need some slight adjustment on that. I'll just finish off doing the spot welding along here, along where the rear spare wheel compartment and the rear valance join. Right, just do the other half of the rear valance, get the spot welder in, and then I can take my temporary fixings out. That is, there we go. Yeah, it's all going in nicely. Just seal the edge. That's that. We are all spot welded in along the bottom edge of there. I've got this is spot welded in for the fill the end in. At the time of doing this, although this is a TR4, I could only get TR6. This rear section here, I could only get TR6, which is almost the same, but a bit of modification at this end too, because the TR6 doesn't have this infill or the same infill, and you've got to shape it. This will have to be welded in, and already I haven't spot welded in this edge yet. I've got a special adapter there. You see the electrodes that will get me round to weld them in. I've already worked that out, and I'll show you in a later video.